Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in Devops, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a Devops School's flagship certification program in Devops, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@devopsschool.com. Okay, so now guys, look at my screen here. It's installed. Now can I copy this file to the var lib? It's simple, it's done. Say true. When you say change true, that means it has happened. And when you rerun the same command and say change
Hello,
false,
Rajesh.
this
Hello,
means it's
Rajesh.
false. Yeah, tell me.
Your screen, I can't see your screen. Your screen is not visible.
Is for everyone or only for him?
Yeah, I can see
Oh,
your screen.
I can see. Maybe you check your end.
Yeah. So guys, it's important. When you say change true, that means change has happened. And when you see change false, that means change has not happened. So that's called idempotent functionality in Ansible. Idempotent functionality, that means Ansible will check whether whatever you are trying to deploy, whether it's already there or not. If it is there, then you'll not make any changes. Okay, so that is the understandable features. This feature you find in everywhere: Chef, Puppet, Ansible, Terraform. And this command will restart the services. And here you see change true. Okay, so if I rerun one more time, so it says change false because it already started that processes. So can I check this here? So 192.168, what was the IP address? I forgot actually. IP 25, so 1.25, and unfortunately it's not visible. I know that website is correct, so it could be the firewall issues. So what to do? So I should do the changes uh, within the through the Ansible itself service, and stopped, right? Stopped. Which service? Firewall service. So I know that Linux and system, so I'm able to quickly modify. So here Ansible cannot help you. You need to understand the system actually. So I stopped it services. You can disable it also if you want to, and refresh. Here it is. So ad hoc commands worked for me, and then wonderful. Are you comfortable so far?
Yeah.
So here I will do with one remote machines, and the remote machine which I'm using is IP address. Let me get it. This is my remote machine. Okay, the IP address root Rajesh 123 IPA. It's 626 control 26. So same command I'm running with remote machine. So how do I do that? So here you have to use. Remember that I said inventory is nothing but
Hello,
a
Rajesh.
list of, yeah.
Please, I still cannot see the screen. Is it something that you can help me from your end?
No, from my side, if one person can see that, that means I cannot help you because do one thing, rejoin this meeting. Probably that should fix that stuff.
Come again.
Yeah, just rejoin that. Okay, so remember that I said here list of IP address, command line, file, and all that. But here I'm trying command line now. So let's do that command line. So what is this? Localhost. So IP address is 192.168.1.25. And here the moment you put the localhost to IP address, it should be in the list format. I inventory list. This is the list format. Okay. If you don't put this comma, then it will not be list format. So, and when you do the setup with other machines, you require the username also. So, which is root, and password, which is hyphen capital K, which will prompt you. How do I know that? You have to get the options for this. So this is the stuff I will just modify and see that here. There's only one machine I'm using right now. Okay. So here, this is the
Rajesh,
command I,
Rajesh,
yeah,
sorry, please,
yeah.
before you further, I want to ask the configuration you run before. You use just localhost, which means it installs on that local machine instead of remote.
No, this is a local machine. See, what you do as a developer, first you try in your own machine, right? And if it is working, then you try in the other machines,
Oh,
correct?
okay. You try it on your local machine first. That's like
Yes.
testing it before
Yeah.
running it to the remote. Okay, 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 good.
Yeah. So now I'm trying the different machines. My IP address, the one which I'm having, is 26. So my bad here is 25.
So sorry, this route, sorry, this route, is it for the remote end or for the
ARS, ARS, yes.
ARS?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
You
this is
have to
the
be
stuff.
root, is it?
Which
If
one?
you're sending it to ARS, then do you have to be root?
No, I don't. I can be anyone. I can be anyone, but for look at this image. This guy can be anyone, but you are doing changes in this server. So for doing that server changes, either you use some normal user, for example, user, and then become a root, become a sudo hyphen b, become sudo. This is
Mhm.
the normal one, but right now I do not use hyphen b to become. Why? Because this hyphen u is root, which is everything. Correct,
Mhm.
no?
Okay. So, but it can be the user account that we want to. We can simply do it for just for the user account that we want to install to as well.
Yes,
That's not
yes,
an issue.
yes. Yeah. See, normal. See here when you apply, Ansible has no specification. See, Ansible is saying, hey, you will do SSH. Remember, I told you SSH protocol. Let me
Yeah.
recall this
Yeah.
somewhere. See here. So just don't think too much about the Ansible. It's SSH. So if you want to forget about Ansible, you want to log into SSH this machine and you want to do something here. So here you require sudo or root or something like that for admin activities. See, if you want to create a file, that's okay. No admin required. But here you are installing, right? So for that you require sudo or root, correct? No?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Logic should be applied that way. So yeah, let me do this run because I am having root access. So and there is some problem. So what is the problem? So I forgot the group name. So when you use inventory, you have to have a group name. So what is the default group? All.
It's all okay.
Yeah. So whenever you use inventory, you have to use all. So this command should work now. What is the
But we are
password
still,
for ARS? Yeah, tell me.
but we're still deploying just to that one machine that you have, it one
Only,
IP address that you
but it can be multiple, no? Separated by comma. Look at this.
have. Okay. Okay.
It's
Sorry,
listing.
Rajesh. Rajesh, please, can you share this document after the
Yeah,
class?
yeah, 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 yeah. I'll say.
Thank you. Mm.
This is a list actually. It can be hundreds of machines.
Can we also mention groups here? I mean,
Group is
if you
here.
remember,
No,
yeah.
no. I'll
Okay.
come back. I'll come back. Slowly, I'm complicating because if I complicate in one go only, you will get lost for sure.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So right now, see the flow is very simple. One machine, local host, then one remote machine, then multiple remote machine using inventory, and then group. So one by one, I'm going. Okay, so let's run this code. So I run this. The password for ARS is Rajesh123, and this they will ask you first time. This is a
Rajesh,
fingerprinting. Yes, tell me.
my screen was not coming. So I would like to know, are you doing this on a single machine or multiple of machines?
Single machine right now, remote machine, but
Okay.
yeah. So here, yes. So what is this problem? So here you see the problem, permission denied.
Okay, I had similar problem when I tried to do this.
Hmm. So permission denied. So just a second. Capital K, I think it's not right combination. Small k, I think it should work. So small k and capital K, there is a significance. So capital K is for the sudo password, small k for the user password. So my bad, I use the capital K. So how do you know all this thing? You just type Ansible -h help and you will get the explanation. So now it's installing that. Remember that is a new machine I created in front of you. So it is installing the yum over that in the remote machine. Now guys, this is really not a good practice. No, not this one. Sorry, this one. So right now I had only one machine. See, installation happened. So I had only one machine. Please focus on this part. So if I had a one machines, I said yes, fingerprinting that process. So first time when one Linux connect to the other Linux, fingerprinting happens for establishing the trust. So if I have 1,000 machine, I'm going to do that. Yes, yes, yes. No. So I'm not going to do yes, yes, yes. So what should I do? So Ansible, that's a default behavior. So in order to change the behavior, what should I do? Anyone have clue? Anyone? So I should modify a configuration file. Remember that? Here configuration file. All of you here. So here you have hundreds of entry. Don't get panic. Slowly you will get to use this, but only set your mindset. If you want to change the executable default behavior, this file is needed. Now here you have hundreds of entries. Slowly you will get comfortable with it. Now I know that entry which I need to change, and that is this one. Host key checking false. Earlier it was true. Save it. Now it will not ask you. Okay. So I change this. Now after this I'm going to do this one also. And Rajesh 123. And then this one. This one. There is a problem. Permission denied. Oh, my bad. Small k, small k, small k. Enter. Rajesh 123. And this one also. Rajesh 123. This one also. Rajesh 123. And this one. And now see this four commands I read ad hoc and it got deployed. Now let's validate other machines also. See? Okay.
But Rajesh,
So
can't you put all of those lines of code in as a script and run them
that's
once?
that is a problem, no? We have a playbook.
Okay.
Yeah. So now guys, this is the commands which I tried. Now here I want to add one more machine which is a self machine. So two machines you will have it. So that way you will have understanding. So multiple machines. This is also you can do that. Two machines. Okay, done. So now guys, this is something which you have. Now this, let me ask you one thing. Do you really like specifying the IP address like this? Do you like this?
No, no,
Do you
no,
like
no,
this?
no,
No, you don't like. So what to do?
no.
So that is where I will create inventory file, which I said very clearly. vi inventory. The file name can be anything by the way. And here I'll put the IP address 192.168.1.25, 192.168.1.26, and save it. That's all. So now what should I do? This here.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.